In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Gusto. This process is designed to be simple and efficient, making sure you can get your new team members set up seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First off, you'll want to log in as an admin. This is important because you'll need the appropriate permissions to access the required features in Gusto. Sign into your Gusto account using admin or hiring permissions to get started. Once you're in your Gusto account, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the People section. You can do this by clicking on People in the main menu. This is where you manage your team and begin the hiring process. Now that you're in the People section, it's time to start the hiring process. Look for the option to add a team member, or depending on your setup, it might say Hire and Onboard. Click on that, and you're well on your way to bringing a new employee on board. The next step is to enter the personal information for your new hire. You will need to provide several key details here: their full name, and if they have one, a preferred name. You'll also need to select the country and worker type, either a W-2 employee or a 1099 contractor. Don't forget to include their personal email address, as this will be where onboarding materials are sent. Once you have all this information entered, click Save and Continue. After entering personal info, the following step is to complete the work details. Here, fill in the work location and state where the employee will be working. You'll also need to enter the job title. If a new job title is needed, Gusto allows you to create one right on the spot. Next, input the start date and optionally assign a department and manager. This information helps organize your team efficiently. Once ready, click Save and Continue. With work details completed, it's time to set the compensation info. Decide on the pay type, whether it's salary, hourly, and outline their overtime eligibility if applicable. Then, enter the compensation amount and how often they will be paid. Don't forget to mention their employment status and any tax exemptions they might have. Once all the compensation details are in place, click Save and Continue. Finally, you'll arrive at the review and confirm stage. This is your chance to double-check that all the entered details are accurate. Pay close attention to each section, and if everything looks correct, you have two options. You can click Add Name and Exit to complete the process without triggering payroll setup, or choose Add Name and Setup for Payroll to proceed with payroll setup immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new employee in Gusto. This streamlined system ensures that your onboarding process is not only comprehensive, but also efficient, allowing your new hires to start contributing as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance,